The sun sets on another busy day. The city lights flicker on and most of us retreat indoors. But as one world goes to sleep, another begins to awaken. You might see them as a fleeting shadow in the alley, a glint of eyes in your headlights, or a distant howl on a cold night. You've heard the stories, the legends, the fear, the urban coyote. But what if everything you think you know about these animals is wrong? What if they aren't just a nuisance, but a vital and misunderstood part of our urban ecosystem? Welcome to a new perspective on city life. Today, we're diving deep into the hidden world of the urban coyote. We'll explore their incredible resilience, their complex family lives, and the surprising role they play in the concrete jungle. We'll separate fact from fiction and learn how we as humans can not only coexist with these clever canids, but perhaps even appreciate their presence. This isn't just about coyotes, it's about understanding the wild heart that beats right in our own backyards. For centuries, the coyote has been a master of survival. They once thrived in the vast open plains of North America, but as human civilization expanded, so too did their territory. Unlike wolves, who are sensitive to human activity, coyotes possess an astonishing ability to adapt. They are ecological chameleons, able to survive in almost any environment, from the deserts of the Southwest to the bustling streets of New York City. They've learned to navigate our concrete forests, find food where we least expect it, and even change their behavior to fit our schedule. A study from Ohio State University found that urban coyotes have a far more nocturnal lifestyle than their rural counterparts. They hunt, forage, and move around primarily at night, a clever way to avoid conflict with humans. This simple shift in routine is a testament to their intelligence and an evolutionary success story playing out in real time. When we think of coyotes, we often think of danger. But let's look at the facts. Research consistently shows that urban coyotes rarely, if ever, attack humans. They are naturally shy and will go out of their way to avoid us. The vast majority of conflicts are a result of habituation, when coyotes lose their fear of humans, often due to being fed, either intentionally or unintentionally. And what about our pets? While it's true that small pets can be at risk, especially if left unattended, the primary diet of an urban coyote is not domestic animals. Their main food source is rodents like rats and mice, as well as rabbits, birds, and even insects. They are a natural and effective form of pest control. One single coyote can remove thousands of rodents from a neighborhood in a year, a service that benefits all of us. Without coyotes, our cities would be overrun by these pests, creating public health issues we'd all have to deal with. Far from being solitary scavengers, coyotes have a complex and fascinating social structure. They live in family units led by a mated pair. The pack, which often includes their offspring from previous years, works together to hunt and raise their young. Every member has a role. The older pups help care for the new litter, and the parents teach them essential survival skills. Their communication is sophisticated, a symphony of yips, barks, and howls that allows them to communicate across vast distances. That eerie howl you hear at night, it's often a family reunion, a way for the pack to locate each other and reinforce their bonds. This intricate social system is a key reason for their success. It's not just a story of a single animal surviving, but of an entire family thriving. The intelligence of a coyote goes far beyond just surviving. They are clever problem solvers, capable of navigating complex urban layouts and even learning from human behavior. Scientists have observed them memorizing garbage truck routes, using storm drains as tunnels, and even learning how to cross busy intersections safely by waiting for the walk signal. They have an impressive spatial memory, recalling the locations of food sources and den sites across their entire territory. This high level of cognitive ability is one of the most surprising and underappreciated aspects of their presence in our cities. So how do we share our space with these animals? The key is to reestablish the natural fear they have of humans. This is called hazing. If you see a coyote, make yourself big and loud. Clap your hands, yell, and make noise. This teaches them that humans are not to be approached. It's also critical to remove potential food sources. Secure your garbage, never leave pet food outside, and keep your pets on a leash, especially at night. For those with a yard, consider installing motion-activated sprinklers or lights. These simple steps can prevent habituation and ensure the safety of both humans and coyotes. The story of the urban coyote is about more than just one species. It's a lesson in urban ecology. By controlling rodent and small animal populations, coyotes help maintain a balance in the ecosystem. They prevent the overgrazing of vegetation by rabbits and help control the spread of diseases carried by rats. They are a keystone species in our urban environments, a top predator that keeps the entire system in check. Their presence is a sign of a healthy, functioning ecosystem. The wild is not something that exists only in remote jungles or distant mountains. It is here among us in our parks, our green spaces, and yes, even our backyards. The urban coyote is a living testament to nature's incredible power to adapt and endure. By understanding them, we don't just learn about a single animal. We learn about the resilient, wild planet we all share. We hope this video has changed your perspective on these incredible animals. If you found this information valuable, please consider giving this video a like. And to continue your journey into the secret world of animals, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss our next video. We have so much more to explore. Thanks for watching.